Karnataka government has taken a decision to reintroduce lockdown again from 14th July 2020 to up to 22nd July 2020. In this connection, the FKCCI want to protest against the lockdown. The reason for protest is that lockdown will not going to yield any results for the COVID-19 spreading. All along, the COVID-19 has been countered by all factories and traders. That nothing has been spread through industries or traders. At this juncture, my humble request, when government has relaxed in so many ways, like Industrial Facilitation Act, as well as 79A and B, foreign investors are looking at Karnataka to invest, and abundant electrical power supply is available. Also, land bank is available. 2-tier and 3-tier cities will going to benefit, and a lot of wealth creation will take place in the 2-tier and 3-tier cities. At this juncture, lockdown will going to give a wrong signal for investors. They may not think of Karnataka anymore. So, my humble request to the Honorable Chief Minister to reconsider the lockdown issue, such that the workers need not migrate to its native place, and industries, those who are already in the verge of collapse, they need not think of it. There are a number of orders we have undertaken from the foreign countries to export within the stipulated time. The letter of credits have been opened. Now we are going to result in a huge loss due to lockdown, and it is nobody will going to compensate the losses which going to occur on the industry. My humble request to the Chief Minister, the Prime Minister has really cautioned the state governments that lockdown is not solution for all the problems, and COVID-19 will continue for some more time. We have to live along with the COVID-19. That was the message given by the Prime Minister. Due to some influence, the Chief Minister has changed his decision. Again, I am requesting the Honorable Chief Minister Sri V.S. Yediyurappa ji to reconsider his lockdown and exempt the industries and trade bodies at this juncture, and make to survive the industries. Thank you very much.